Hello, welcome to DIY Graphic Design. This is course number 3 in our social media marketing certificate. And if that's you and your path, congratulations, you're going to be reaching the halfway mark here in about a module and a half. We are so excited that you're joining us for this particular course because it adds a lot of the creativity and the design flair that perhaps we're missing in some of the strategic or copywriting or, paid content sides of our social. So now's our chance to get creative and to figure out how to better be a designer when we're not trained graphic designers, utilizing the tools at our fingertips. I can't wait to show you some of the very interesting and exciting apps, tools, software, and programs like Canva that are going to change your designing from here forward and make it so that you can easily whip up something, probably from a template that you've created that's going to work really well for you, or from scratch for your blog imagery, your social posts, your Instagram story graphics, your e-newsletter headers. So many opportunities present themselves in our day-to-day digital marketing efforts for a punchy, quick, easy graphic. And we need to be able to quickly go in to, hopefully, our Canva account and our stock photography sites and turn something into magic really quickly. So let's move along and get you going on this third course. As you know, Social School has been helping small businesses, startups, scale-ups, and some bigger enterprises as well better tell their online story for more than a decade. And we are so excited to be helping students around the globe better kind of present themselves and grow their reach and ideally their revenue and return as a result. And they're doing it on social media and other digital platforms, but through the magic of online storytelling that we can really scale. As we say, build once, sell often. Tell a story one time really well, attract multitudes of people. So you've found us through the Academy. Hopefully there's always new courses and materials and learning there added all the time. And we hope that you'll continue on your journey with us. Our mission is to make you feel empowered, not just educated, and to equip you with what you need to go forward and maybe better delegate or outsource to your team or contractors if you can't handle every piece of the digital marketing puzzle yourself, which is very fair, or better execute on your own if you are in fact picking and choosing the areas of the digital marketing landscape that you know you need to be for your business and for your growth, and then investing in making those that much more compelling and high converting. So with that, let's dive into module number 1. It's called Fonts and Fusion. It's our starting point on DIY graphic design, and I will see you there.